just gonna be jumping right into the magic with this 2-minute tutorial from the movie Truth or Dare. I saw this wound in the trailer and decided it was pretty cool, so I decided to recreate it. So first off, we're just gonna smear some latex all over our arm. I used some latex thickened with flour to make it a little thicker so we could just do it in one layer. And you want to make sure that those edges are smoothed down into the skin. And now we are just sketching the words Truth or Dare into our skin to look kind of like what it looked like in the trailer, though it was only shown for like half a second, but it was pretty cool, so I wanted to recreate it. And now we're just filling it in with some red to simulate blood. And looking back, it's kind of like I didn't actually look at the makeup when I did this makeup, which is probably a mistake. You should always use your reference photos. It kind of actually looks more raised than carved into the skin, but it's still a pretty cool tutorial, and this is pretty easy for beginners, so that's another reason that I wanted to do this tutorial. So yeah, to represent the base woundness, we're just filling in that red color, and then to give it some depth, we're now going in with this maroon color, and it just makes those cuts look deeper, and so that you can show that it's actually, so that you can see that it's actually really carved into the skin, if you will. Are you a truth person or a dare person? I'm always more of a dare person myself. I like to get into trouble sometimes. But now we're just taking a paper towel and we're dipping that into our paints in this red color and this orangish red color to give it some inflammation. And there you have it. Your makeup is complete and you're ready to go out and play some Truth or Dare. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep it creepy. Wow, wow.